Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. Thank you for being here. And so today I was going to put on my makeup. I kind of started and then I thought, I was doing it to film and I thought, oh, let's just do like a kind of a warm-ish fall look and we'll do it in a video. So here we go. Let's get to it. All right, friends. I'm a cool tone person. I don't really like warm tones on me at all. So I'm probably going to go a little bit more neutral. Hopefully it'll have a warm fall look when we're done. But anyway, I am just going to show you what I've done so far and where we're going with the rest of this. I am using products from a variety from last month's, from August, EyeScream Beauty, Ipsy, and this month's Ipsy, which I'm going to film next, but I'm going to go ahead and use some of the products from it. So anyway, first of all, my foundation, I have this is my Estee Lauder Double Wear. This is the maximum coverage one. I don't always wear this one, but I really like it. I'm going to show you what I do with my foundation. I'm probably going to have to, I have something on my hand I'm going to show later, so let me do it on this side. Just going to do a little bit, but so there's a drop of foundation. And by the way, this foundation goes really far, so you don't need much. Then I take my Glow Recipe bronzing drops and I just put a little bit on top of that. So you can see that. And I just mix it in together and then I do it on my face, which I don't really want to do on my face right now because but I'll just do a little bit because I already have it on my face. Okay, I got sidetracked because I had an important phone call, but I'm back. I was showing you the foundation. I went ahead and rubbed it in because anyway, I was on the phone, but so that was my foundation trick. And then I did do some bronzer. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer. It's in a pot. I actually love this, but I don't like that. I really like the sticks because you can just put it on with a stick. This you kind of have to use your finger or something. But I went ahead and I tried it with the sponge, and that worked pretty good. So I slather bronze on my face. Like seriously, I put it all around my whole face, and I have a good bronzing brush and I go to town like this. So that's my bronzing secret. I usually don't do more than one, but sometimes I'll take, like I have this Natasha Denona, I like the highlighter in here, and sometimes I'll take the bronze and just touch up, but I obviously don't need it right now. So anyway, so that's my bronzer. I did a Gwen Stefani. I just got this in my Ipsy last month. This is a eyeliner and it's got kind of an unusual type tip here. I did do an eyebrow, the eyebrow pencil on here. And then of course I use my Benefit brow setter, and then I use the brow, this is called Highbrow from Benefit, and it just kind of goes under the brow right here, under the your eyelashes, just kind of creates a light. So since I had stopped for a while, I wanted to keep going, so I went ahead and primed my eyes so they may look a little lighter, but I primed them so they're ready for when we get to eyeshadow. But I first have to do blush, and I have two blushes to use. One I got in my Amazon not my Amazon, my Allure, my Allure beauty box. Okay, so this is from Nude Sticks. It's Sugar and Spice color, and I'm going to go ahead and put some of that on. It's kind of sticky, but we'll see how this goes. I'm not really, don't have a good mirror here, but okay, let's blend that in. Now, a lot of times with my blush, I kind of went up too high here. With my blush, I like to use a powder blush over it. So I'm going to take the, also I got this in this month's Ipsy icon box. I actually think I added it on because I had two things in the category this was in that I wanted. So anyway, we're going to try it. I'm excited to try this blush. I've been wanting to. Now, it is powerful. Okay, so I'm got a powerful blush here. Let's see what we can do. See if I can kind of tone it down a little bit. It'll tone down too on its own. So anyway, there's my blush. Two things that I got that I'm excited about. And now for highlighter, this is another thing I'm excited about. I just got this in my Ipsy BoxyCharm, and I said, like I said, I'm going to film it next, but I wanted to use this anyway before I filmed it. So this is the JLo Beauty, and it's a it says it's that star filter, so it has a little bit of a glow. This is, so it's kind of a highlighter. Let's see. I'm gonna just put some on my finger. Okay. Down my nose. Okay, so I really like this. I'm excited about it. It's big too. It's like a big one. So I'm glad I got that. So let's go with our brush highlight. So that's my wet highlight. I'm going to come over with just a little bit of this Natasha Denona powder. Okay, so there's that. So I am to my eyes now, and I'm excited because I got this, I shared this in a video, just my last video. I got this in my EyeScream Beauty box. I got this Moon Slice Beauty. This is Pallet, and I'm really excited about it. Let's see. It's definitely fall. Check that out. So I was really anxious to try this, so I'm going to try it now. Now, I took 7 colors, and I did it on my hand. These are kind of warm, fall, whatever, a little bit of everything. Look at the glow. You can see that. Anyway, so I'm going to just try. I am going to experiment here, and hopefully we'll get a good look that we like here. So I'm going to come in. I can't remember which colors I used. I think I pretty much, I'm going to use this, the darker brown. This one right here was just a little too warm for me. I didn't like the look. I do like these two and these two down here. So we're just going to kind of blend and mix a lot of these together. So I'm going to come in with my, I don't know why I'm having a hard time with my mirror situation. So I'm doing my crease right now. Okay, I think this is it. That's my fall warming kind of fall look. I am loving this palette. I think I used like 7 pans out of here for this look. So kind of like, it's just beautiful. So anyway, there's the eyes. I am going to go off camera. I'm going to put on some mascara, and then we're going to do some lips that are a little more brown than I like usually, but we're going to see how that looks. And so I'll be back with a new look in a minute. Okay, so there's the mascara. There's pretty much a look. I put on a little bit of setting spray. And now I'm going to do lips. And before I even started anything, I used this by Row. This came in last month's BoxyCharm. I use this lip oil. I love it. And I think it kind of does make your lips, gives it color, like a cherry, kind of a cherry color, because I think I have a little bit more color than normal. So then in last month's, in August BoxyCharm, I got this cute little lip product. This is by Zija, and it's a Cinderella lip stain, lipstick, liquid lipstick. Cute little package. Anyway, so it is kind of a brown. I forgot to do eyeliner. Dang, I'm gonna have to do eyeliner. Gotta see if I can find that lip liner that I picked out. Okay. My look is not complete without the eyeliner. Okay, I found my eyeliner. I didn't remember where it came from, but it actually, and it was full size, so I didn't think it was in my Ipsy Glam bag, but it was. I just got this in my Ipsy Glam bag, which I shared a few days ago. Anyway, so this is the Petra by Pixie by Petra. It's called an Eye Define Waterline Pencil. So we're gonna try it in our waterline. And my eyes tend to be real watery, so sometimes I have a hard time doing my waterline, but we're gonna give it a try. It's in the color black. So here we go. I don't know if I can do it. Let's see here. Okay, you can definitely see a difference. I'm gonna go ahead and do the outer corner. I like to do the outer corner too a little bit. I heard this was really good. Okay, I think I'm gonna really like that. What do you think? Did that just finish off my look? Not quite, because we're still, I just shared this when I realized I forgot my eyeliner. But anyway, we're gonna do this Cinderella. This is also by Zija, and I'm gonna do a lip pencil real quick. Just have kind of a little bit more brownie color. I don't know. I still have a little bit of that lip oil on. It stays a long time. I really like that. I like anything by Row, but that lip oil is pretty awesome, and it alone will bring color to your lips. So let's do this. Let's do this brown. It's not, oh, whoops. Brown is not my color. And I got it all over the place. Anyway, let's see here. Actually, I like this color. Put a little too much on. But I think it goes with my eyeshadow. So, what do you think? Here's my fall, my somewhat warm for me, warm enough, fall look. The beautiful eyeshadow from this palette, this Moon Slice. I love this palette. This palette is amazing. So anyway, excited. Once again, there's a look at it. So anyway, that's my look. Now I'm going to go ahead and film my BoxyCharm by Ipsy for September, and also I just got my Walmart beauty box. So I'm going to be filming those, and they'll probably go out before this video. But anyway, so you can go back and look and see what I got, and now you know how I used it. So I guess that's it. Thank you for being here. I love your support. Hit the like button and subscribe if you wish. Help out my channel. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.